Tiger lithium-ion tractors are designed to operate much like the tractors you already know, with the added benefits of electric performance. Let's review how to safely start, operate, and park the tractor. Before operating, always perform a pre-drive inspection. Check the tires and wheels. Inspect the seat and hitch, and review the gauge display for state of charge or system codes. Test the pedals and steering, confirm that all lighting is working, and look for any visible damage or loose components. Also, confirm the tractor is disconnected from the charging cable before operation. If operating a cabbed tractor, check the windows, wipers, and heater. Once the inspection is complete, enter the tractor safely using proper handholds and footing. Adjust the seat as needed and fasten the high visibility orange seat belt. If equipped, adjust the mirrors. Cabbed tractors also include heater, defrost, and dome light controls for operator comfort and visibility. To start the tractor, hold the ignition key to the right until the dash lights illuminate. A green indicator light shows the tractor is powered on, while a red light indicates the parking brake is still engaged. When the key is on, the headlights, taillights, and marker lights automatically illuminate for visibility. Optional turn signals or beacon strobe lights may also activate when the tractor is powered on. To begin operating, press the brake pedal. Release the parking brake by pushing forward on the floor lever. Once released, the red indicator light will turn off. Select forward or reverse using the shifter on the steering column. The tractor will only shift when the parking brake is released and the brake pedal is pressed. Tiger includes several built-in safety systems. The tractor will not move if it is plugged into a charger or if the operator is not seated. Release the brake and smoothly press the accelerator. The electric drive provides immediate and predictable response without shifting or engine noise. When reversing for hitch connection, shift into reverse and carefully position the tractor. The optional backup alarm will sound and reverse lights will illuminate. All tractors include rear inching controls, allowing positioning while the operator stands beside the vehicle. When activated, this feature operates briefly at limited speed and requires the tractor to be powered on with the parking brake released. During normal operation, Tiger's top speed is 15 miles per hour, though this can be programmed for site-specific requirements. When you release the accelerator, regenerative braking slows the tractor while returning energy to the battery. Tiger is also equipped with patented anti-rollover protection, which automatically reduces speed during turns. At 20% state of charge, the tractor enters reduced power mode. Speed and acceleration are limited to protect the battery while allowing time to reach a charger. At 10%, the tractor will shut down and must be towed to a charger. Tiger's insulated and heated battery pack allows operation from -20 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. In cold weather, the battery automatically maintains proper temperature, which may use additional energy. Plugging in during extended downtime is recommended. To park the tractor, bring it to a complete stop, return the selector to neutral, engage the parking brake, and turn the key off. If left powered on without activity, Tiger will automatically shut down to prevent battery drain. Following these procedures each shift helps ensure safe and reliable operation. Tiger Lithium-Ion. Electrification that works.